Hello everyone, Andy's here. Welcome to my channel, Mandarin Studios. Today I'm going to show you an extensively used Chinese character, 春, which means spring or springtime in English. Now let's get started. As what you can see in the animated image on the left, the character 春 is composed of 9 writing strokes. The character is a top and a bottom structure. This character is typically used as a noun, so grammatically it can be used as a subject or an object in a sentence. The character 春 is listed as one of extensively used beginner level 2 characters in the Chinese proficiency test, namely HSK. The writing stroke order of 春 is indicated as follows. Since you have already learned the etymological meaning of the character 春, which means spring or springtime, you can easily learn more associated vocabulary words such as 春播, spring sowing, 春风, spring breeze, 春耕, spring plowing, 春色, spring scenery, 春季, spring season, 春假, spring break, 春节, spring festival, 春卷, spring roll, 春雷, spring thunder, 春联, spring festival couplets, 春天, spring or springtime, 春游, spring outing. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button here below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.